Hello boys and girls, year 6. Welcome to our lesson 5, unit 1, reading A Window to the World. As usual, I am your English language teacher, Teacher Put. Today, you are going to learn how to write a book report and what is compound noun. Okay. Let's look at the table of contents. There are 4 sections. Number 1, what is book report? Number 2, how to write a book report. Number 3, you are going to learn about grammar, which is compound nouns. And number 4, complete the worksheets. Alright, now, what is book report? Book report means when you read a book and write what you think about the story. So, that is what we call as a book report. Your opinion can either be positive or negative. Alright, so these are examples of storybook. Okay, look at the last book, which is Jungle Book. So, are you familiar with this book? Basically, last year or last 2 years, you have learned about the Jungle Book. Do you still remember about Mowgli? Alright. How to write a book report. Okay, number 1. Make sure you have the title. What is title? Title means the name of the book. Number 2 is author. What is author? Author is the person who wrote the story. Number 3 is genre. What is genre? Genre is style or type of the book. Number 4 is characters. Who is in the story? Number 5, synopsis. Synopsis means a summary of the story. You can start with the story is about. Okay, next. You have to give the opinion about the book. It means your judgment based on the story. It could be negative or positive. You can start the sentence with I like the book because it is ... Or I do not like the book because why? Why you do not like the book or why you like the book? Okay, the last one is moral value. What is the good deeds that you learn from the story? You can start the sentence with I learned that, okay, blah blah blah. Okay. Now, look at your textbook, page 7. Okay, or you just look at this slide. You look and study these 2 book report. Okay, just look and study how Edith completes her book reports after reading the 2 storybooks. These are examples of completed book report. Okay, this is your first worksheet. Based on the information given, complete a book report. The answers are all here. Okay, you just have to find the answers correctly. Where is the title? Who is the author? What is the genre of the book? The characters, synopsis, your opinion about the book, and also moral values. The answers are all up here. You have to find. Alright, next. check your answers. So, I give you the answer, you just check. This is the title. This is the name of the author. This is genre, the characters, the synopsis, the opinion, and also the moral values. Is it the same answers with yours? So, make sure you print and write your answers here. Okay, next session is compound noun. What is compound noun? Compound noun is a word that is made up of two nouns. Do you understand? What is a word that is made up of two nouns? Okay, let's see the examples. Okay. Look at the picture here. Tooth plus brush. So it becomes toothbrush. Cow and boy. So it becomes cowboy. Honey plus moon. So it becomes honeymoon. Now you got it, right? So now look at the pictures here. All these 6 pictures. Can you name it? Butterfly, football, cowboy, rainbow, cupcake, and sunflower. Very good. Now, these are examples of compound noun. Okay, let's see. What's next? Okay, these are examples of compound nouns. Can you see the 100 words here? So, can you name me another 10 compound nouns which are not here? Let's think. Can you name them? Another 10? Okay, now you have to look at your textbook, page 8. You have to name the pictures and say the compound nouns. Number 1, classroom. Number 2, toothbrush. Number 3, sunflower. Number 4, raincoat. Number 5, bookshelf. Number 6, seat belt. 7, post box. And 8, cupcake. So now you understand, right? Okay. This is your second worksheet and also your third worksheet. So, let's look at the second worksheet on your left-hand side. Complete the following compound nouns. Number 1, ice. It's up to you, ice cream or ice tray. Okay. Number 2, lip. It's up to you, lipstick, so can. Lip balm. Number 3, what? Ball. Football. Handball. Okay, there are many answers, but I want you to use your own answers here. Okay, that one is exercise 1 complete. So exercise 2. Exercise 2, match the words in column A to column B to make compound nouns. Number 1, cow. Class, ground, what? Shop, what? Okay, very easy. So, look at your third worksheet. Fill in the blanks with the correct compound nouns. Okay, you have to read the sentence and fill in the blanks with the correct compound nouns. Number 1, let's try. Mr. Ramu is reading the ... in the library. Mr. Ramu is reading. Okay, the newspaper. So write the word the newspaper here. So, number 2. Jessie is using a nail clipper to cut her nail clipper we use to cut our fingernails. So right here. So can you do it until number 10? Of course you can. So okay class, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. Till we meet again in lesson 6. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay now.